My name's Catherine Stoddart and I'm the CEO of Brightwater Care Group. Brightwater is an aged and disability care organisation. We cover all of the metropolitan area and quite far south. Our move towards using electric vehicles is really important for us in terms of sustainability. As an organisation, we're committed to improving our environmental sustainability, and this is one way of doing that. We have a lot of mobile staff. We are very keen that over time, more of our vehicles become EV vehicles. Initially, as we take on board new corporate cars, we will start to move towards EV. Individuals may have their own private use, of course, and then more broadly, our staff that are out in the community caring for people, we will move them to electric vehicles. I expect that in Brightwater in particular, we will move towards having more EV chargers because we have sites very north and very south of the metropolitan area, and we would like to see all of our mobile staff being able to use it. And also at a personal level, if people choose to have an electric vehicle, then it's going to encourage them if they have a facility where they can charge during their working day. If you're eligible for a Charge Up grant, I would definitely go through the process. It's very simple. Your team can manage it quite quickly and the benefits are huge for your organisation.